Ever wondered what feeders are in electrical engineering? Ever found yourself scratching your head at the mention of this term? Well, today we peel back the layers of this fundamental concept in the world of electrical engineering. Picture a sprawling city bustling with activity. Now, imagine a network of unseen conduits pulsating with power, delivering energy to every corner of this city. These conduits, in essence, are what we refer to as electrical feeders. So, what exactly are these feeders? In the simplest terms, feeders are the medium through which electrical power is transported from the generating stations to the consumers. They form the backbone of any electrical power system, ensuring that the power generated at the source reaches the end user effectively and efficiently. Now you might be thinking, why are feeders so important? Why can't we just connect the power source directly to the consumer? Well, the answer lies in the practicality and efficiency of power distribution. Feeders, through their unique design and functionality, help maintain the balance of the power system. They carry large amounts of power over long distances, without significant loss of energy. This is achieved through the use of high voltage levels, which reduces the current and hence minimizes power loss during transmission. But that's not all. Feeders also play a critical role in ensuring the safety and reliability of the power system. They are designed to withstand short circuits and overloads, protecting the system from potential damage. Moreover, they allow for the isolation of faulty sections of the network, preventing widespread power outages and facilitating quick repair. So, to summarize, feeders are the lifelines of an electrical power system. They serve as the main highways for power transportation, delivering energy from the generating source to the consumer. Their importance in electrical engineering cannot be overstated. They ensure the efficient and reliable distribution of power, safeguard the system against faults, and facilitate quick and easy maintenance. When you switch on a light, fire up your computer or charge your phone, remember that none of this would be possible without the unsung heroes of the electrical world, the feeders. They are the silent, unseen conduits that bring power to our homes, our offices, our cities, powering our lives day in and day out. In the world of electrical engineering, feeders are indeed the unsung heroes. They may not be visible to the naked eye, but their impact is felt every second of every day. So the next time you enjoy the comfort of a well-lit room or the convenience of a fully charged device, spare a thought for the feeders that make it all possible. Power distribution system can be classified according to its feeder connection schemes or topologies as follows. 1. Radial distribution system. 2. Parallel feeders distribution. 3. Ring main distribution system. 4. Interconnected distribution. Now describing each distribution system separately. Radial distribution system. This system is used only when substation or generating station is located at the center of the consumers. In this system, different feeders radiate from a substation or a generating station and feed the distributors at one end. Thus, the main characteristic of a radial distribution system is that the power flow is in only one direction. Although this system is simplest and least expensive, it is not highly reliable. A major drawback of a radial distribution system is, a fault in the feeder will result in supply failure to associated consumers, as there won't be any alternative feeder to feed distributors. Parallel feeders distribution system. Such system may be used where reliability of the supply is important, or for load sharing where the load is higher. Ring main distribution system. Each distribution transformer is fed with two feeders, but in different paths. The feeders in this system form a loop which starts from the substation bus bars, runs through the load area feeding distribution transformers, and returns to the substation bus bars. Advantages of ring main distribution system. There are fewer voltage fluctuations at consumer's terminal. The system is very reliable as each distribution transformer is fed with two feeders. That means in the event of a fault in any section of the feeder, the continuity of the supply is ensured from the alternative path. Interconnected distribution system. When a ring main feeder is energized by two or more substations or generating stations, it is called as an interconnected distribution system. This system ensures reliability in an event of transmission failure. Also, any area fed from one generating stations during peak load hours can be fed from the other generating station or substation for meeting power requirements from increased load.